In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this cool flicker effect in Adobe After Effects. Okay, so to make this effect, it's actually pretty simple. What we're going to do is, once we open Adobe After Effects, we're going to go to New Composition. We'll just name this Flicker. All of this looks good. Press OK. Now we have this. We're going to next go into our Type tool. Type what we want here. I'm going to just type Flicker. Now if we want, we can go back to our Select tool and move this around, press Shift to have it lock in place. Right about there looks good. Then, using your plus and minus arrows, you can zoom in on the time scale, and we're going to want to move in a bit so we can be more precise, because we're going to work in between about 0 and 1 second. See what I mean here? Because next we're going to open the flicker here, just press the little arrow there, and under text you'll see animate, press that button, opacity. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the start, open rangefinder, range selector, and set opacity to 0. And make a keyframe there. Then we're going to go to advanced, before we move it, we're going to go to randomize order, and then you'll see random seed is at 0. We're going to make a keyframe there. Then at 1 second, we're going to move this to, let's say, 25. And move this to 100. Start to 100 and random seed to 25. And if you see now, it'll be flickering, which is pretty cool. But it just kind of, if you look closely, you can see how it's sort of fading in and out, like the C and the L right there. If we don't want that, we can do under the settings here is under the advanced settings. We can go to smoothness and turn smoothness all the way down to 0. And if you see now, they'll just be coming in and out. Okay. Next thing we can do is if we move out of this and just select it, then we can use Control D to duplicate it. Then, once we duplicate it, we can go to our properties here, and let's turn off the view on Flicker 1. You can do that by clicking this eye here, so we can only see Flicker 2. And then what we can do is go to stroke here, so that's this bottom. You see the little eyedropper. You can just change this to whatever color you would like. I'm just doing white because the rest of the letters are white. If you see now, that outlines the letters. If we bring this back in though, you'll see that it doesn't look any different. That's because they're playing the same rate. Like whenever the flicker, this flicker comes in, this flicker also comes in. So what we're going to have to do is go under Flicker 2, we're going to go to Text, and then Animator 1. Then go to Range Selector, and back to Advanced, and we're going to go to the Random Seed again. And then we're going to make sure to line it up with wherever the end of the other flicker ended. So that was 1 second, because it was 1 second long. And then we're going to change this to, let's say, like 50. Now, if you'll notice, you can see both of the outlined letters and the filled in letters as they flicker in and out. Pretty cool. Now, there's one last thing we can do to improve the quality of this, and that is if we go to the layer at the top, and then we go to New, Layer, New, and then go to Adjustment Layer, we'll put in a no adjustment layer. And then under effects, we're going to be looking for glow. So stylized glow here, and we're just going to drag that onto our adjustment layer. And then we'll keep these settings the same. As you can see now, it'll have a bit of glow. You can see the glow around the letters. But what we can do to make that even better is if we select on it and do the duplicate again, Control D, we'll have two glows. And on the second one, set the glow radius to 500. There'll be a nice glow around all the letters. If you look at that, it looks pretty good. All the letters glowing. Nice effect. So from here, you can export it, use it wherever you want. Maybe using it for Premiere Pro. Whatever the case is, wherever you wanted to make this. From here, you just export it and use it from there. Which is about it. You can add more to this if you would like. If not, it's great how it is. So, yeah. Hope this helped, and hope you at least come out with a better understanding of how Adobe After Effects works. Thanks.